Google has just announced a new artificial intelligence hub in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, with an investment of around $15 billion spread over 5 years from 2026 to 2030. This is Google's biggest investment in India ever and one of its largest data centers outside the US. The AI hub will be developed with Adani Connects and Airtel and will power Google's products like YouTube Search and Workspace. The announcement was made at Bharat AI Shakti in New Delhi, an event hosted by Google and a pre-event to the India AI Impact Summit 2026. IT and Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Andhra Pradesh's Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, and Thomas Kurian, the CEO of Google Cloud, attended the event. For the Government of India, this is a big step towards its Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. And for ordinary Indians, this project means faster internet, smarter digital services, cleaner energy use, and most importantly, new opportunities for jobs and innovation.
Think of an AI hub as the brain of the digital world where powerful computers work round the clock to process massive amounts of data, train artificial intelligence models, and run advanced applications that we all use every day. When you ask Google a question, use maps, or translate something instantly, that's AI at work powered by such hubs. The new AI hub in Vizag will include a gigawatt-scale data center, which means it can handle enormous computing power, enough to run millions of digital tasks at once. It will also connect to Google's global network of data centers in 12 countries, which means India will now play a major role in handling global internet traffic. And because Google is building it with partners like Adani Connects and Airtel, the hub will have advanced infrastructure, including expanded fiber networks and new undersea internet cables connecting Vizag to the world. This will make internet speeds faster and more stable, even during high demand. One of the most important parts of this project, and something that directly affects every Indian who uses the internet, is data security. Until now, a lot of the data we use every day, whether it's from Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, or other apps, is often stored and processed in data centers located outside India, in places like Singapore, the US, or Europe. That means our digital information travels thousands of kilometers through international cables before coming back to us. With the new AI hub, much of this data will now stay within India's borders. This local storage brings several key benefits. When data doesn't have to travel overseas, websites load faster, videos stream more smoothly, and apps respond instantly. This is especially useful for cloud services, online learning, healthcare apps, and digital payments, where every millisecond counts. Keeping data within India means it will be governed by Indian privacy and cybersecurity laws. This gives the Indian government and users more control over how their information is stored, shared, and protected from misuse. By having powerful AI and data infrastructure in India itself, Google can reduce dependence on international networks. That means even if there are global internet disruptions, natural disasters, or cyber attacks affecting other regions, India's systems can continue working smoothly. The new data center will be part of Google's global network of secure facilities spread across 12 countries. This setup ensures backup and recovery systems are always in place, protecting Indian users' data from loss or corruption. The AI hub will use state-of-the-art encryption, firewalls, and zero-trust architecture, which means data can only be accessed by verified systems and users. It's designed to process sensitive AI workloads, like medical data or financial models, in a highly protected environment. The addition of new subsea cables landing in Vizag will create a more reliable route for data flow, balancing the load between India's west and east coasts. This makes India's overall internet network stronger, more self-reliant, and less dependent on any single region or company. The project costs about $15 billion. Additionally, the hub will create new economic activity worth the same amount in just 5 years. It will boost India's tech exports, attract global companies to build AI-based services locally, and help develop new products for healthcare, education, agriculture, and business automation. It will also support clean energy growth in Andhra Pradesh, since Google plans to power the entire facility using renewable sources like solar and wind. That means India not only gets more digital power, but also greener power. For Indians, this project will open doors to thousands of new opportunities. The hub will need engineers, data analysts, cybersecurity experts, and energy professionals to build and run it. But beyond that, it will inspire new startups, local businesses, and students to explore the world of artificial intelligence right here in India. Colleges and universities will likely introduce AI-focused courses and research programs, helping young Indians gain skills that are in huge demand globally. Startups will get access to better cloud services and computing power, allowing them to develop apps and solutions faster. Even small businesses will benefit with cheaper and faster digital services built on this infrastructure. The $15 billion investment will create a foundation for a smarter, more connected nation and help young Indians work, learn, and innovate in AI right here at home. The project has the potential to transform Indians from consumers of global technology into creators and take charge of India's digital future.